Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-code sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your business or you want to start or improve your business and you need consultant, message ka lang 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so, what is one of the most important things that I did before I resigned? So, as you know, I resigned as sa aming school. But I'm still connected po. I'll be teaching part-time, okay? So, but what is one of the most important things that I did before I resigned? Of course, bago tayo nag-resign, meron muna tayong mga sinettle, like, start na natin business natin, meron na tayong mga different things na ginagawa, itutuloy lang natin, okay? But what made me give me peace of mind now or a relief is I did this a year ago before I resigned, okay? That is joining IMG, okay? So, yay, palakpak. And this is the book of IMG, and I'm now the one of the senior marketing directors of IMG. So, thank you very much, IMG. Two things na nangyari na maganda that I started it before I resigned. Not during my resignation or after my resignation. It's before I resign, okay? So, before I resign, last year, I started joining IMG. I attended their, what do you call that? Nag-attend po tayo ng kanilang convention sa SMX. Then, I went to Hong Kong to visit their place and office. Then nagkaroon tayo ng seminar doon. So it's like that, okay? So I get acquainted with the CEO, the founder mismo ng IMG, and the other CEO ng IMG, okay? So two things na nangyari. One is, of course, ganito po kasi, pag nag-resign tayo, lahat ng mga privileges natin, of course, syempre, you're going to hindi mo na siya ma-enjoy. Like, meron kaming isang health card that helped me a lot nung nasa Asia pa ako, that I'm enjoying it kasi check-up, na-confine ako, I supposed to pay more than 100,000 pero na-less yung 100,000. Every time na magpapa-check up tayo, kahit saan natin gusto magpunta hospital, except for 2 hospitals lang, pero lahat coverage nung healthcare na yon, yung insurance. So, of course, nung nag-resign tayo, isa sa mga turnover natin yon, may ID plus yung tawag dito yung that card, okay? And good thing ngayon, may kapalit na siya, okay? So, because though I did not plan it ng ganito siya kaaga ang resignation natin, kaya lang because of the yung demands sa atin as a business consultant that I need to visit places, I need to meet people ng even weekdays, so we're doing that. Kaya ganun po yung parang ganun yung nangyari. So medyo napaga yung resignation natin, okay? But the good thing is yun, meron tayong Kaiser. So now, after a year kasi, after paying it, may monthly contribution po ako na 3,500 lang eh. Pwedeng mas mababa, depende sa age. Kasi I was 45 nung kinuha ko po yung 45. Yeah, nung kinuha ko yung aking Kaiser. So, if you are younger than me, so mas mababa po yung 3,500 a month. Then after a year of paying it, so eto na, meron na tayong privilege na gagamitin na natin. So if you'll be hospitalized, so merong assistance na 100,000. Wow, di ba? 100,000. May ang tawag dito, check-up na rin, free check-up, executive check-up. May mga accredited hospital tayo or mismo sa office ng Kaiser sa Makati. Pwede tayo dun magpunta. And sa eye care din, so pwede ka na rin magpagawa ng salamin eh. Yung ba nating OFW, bago sila bumalik sa work nila, nagpagawa mo na sila ng salamin. So yun, na-enjoy na natin siya ngayon. Okay, so kung hindi ako nag-start, sabi ko, magkasakit ako ngayon na ma-confine tayo, wag naman sana, so I'll be paying that amount. Pero dahil nga nag-Kaiser tayo before I resign, so may kapalit naman siya agad. Kaya pinagbili na ko yung mga kapamilya ko eh. Sabi ko, ever na emergency, kailangan ko din ng hospital, ma-confine. So ito yung mga accredited hospital ng Kaiser. Like sa Bataan, so we have Bataan Peninsula medical clinic, medical center, and Bataan Doctors. So, okay na may mga hospital na yan. So, diyan nila tayo dadalhin, okay? So, second thing na nangyari when I joined, before I resign na nag-join ako ng IMG is, dahil for 1 year po kasi, for a year na nagulog tayo sa IMG. And of course, dahil nakita ko yung benefit ng Kaiser 3-in-1, that is life insurance, health insurance, plus may kasama na siya investment. So, yung naging desire ng puso ko po is to share it. I-share natin sa iba. So, nag-share tayo, nag-vlog tayo, minute natin mga tao, and you know, we explain it. I always visit IMG office. So, marami nang namili ng Kaiser. And because marami na pong namili ng Kaiser, sabi ko nga, it's nature's way of giving back. So, when you do good with other people, so meron, in return, you will get rewards, so financial rewards. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng financial rewards sa IMG. So, weekly, meron na po tayong checking na re-receive. So, isa siya sa mga passive income natin ngayon. Actually, nung after joining it, na I didn't know na magkakaroon ako ng commission sa lahat ng mga nagka-Kaiser po. Alam niyo naman yan, ina-announce ko naman yan sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. Hindi naman yan bago, hindi ko naman nilihim yan, okay? So, but that's not my primary objective. So, after 3 months na nagsishare ako, without knowing, hindi naman sinabi sa akin na IMG, Doc, magkakaroon ka ng commission. Hindi eh. Sabi nila, Doc, tulungan mo naman kami i-promote. So, dahil nakita ko, maganda naman yung advocacy ng IMG. So, what I did is, pinopromote natin. Then, after 3 months, pinapapunta nila ako sa office because may mga check-in na tayo. Something like that. Okay, so, now, last week, kinukuha natin yun, madalang na lang kasi iniipon na lang natin dun eh. Or minsan pinapadala nila sa atin, nakikisuyo tayo. So, what is good about now that I resign is, isa siya sa mga passive incomes natin. Semi-passive income. Kasi I work din naman sa IMG, like, I do my assignment. So, nagsishare tayo. Then, pag may nakausap tayo, sinishare na talaga sa atin yung IMG. Pero, isa siya sa mga passive income natin ngayon. Like, YouTube channel, semi-passive income. Like, my YouTube channel, may other businesses na may kapartner tayo, so they are giving us profit ng business natin. So, parang sabi ko nga, isa siya sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng peace of mind after resigning. So, meron ka ng health card, meron ka pang, you know, semi-passive income. Semi-passive income, 2-in-1 na nangyari sa, tawag dito, sa IMG. And actually, meron pang isa na not in terms of finances or insurance, nakabuo ako ng isang group. That's good eh. Kasi sa buhay natin, sabi ko nga eh, kailangan meron tayong support group, di ba? Don't forget to find your support group to maintain these people na tutulong sa'yo para maging masaya ka. Ang importante kasi, masaya tayo sa buhay, di ba? Yan na nga yung advocate ng Doc G. Kaya, basta gusto natin lagi, masaya tayo. And one of the sources of happiness natin is yung meron tayong group, meron tayong, ang tawag dito, meron siyang group na pag nagpunta ka, you will be encouraged, you will be motivated. So, kaya, minsan talaga personal ako nagpupunta doon. So, namimit natin, Ma'am Glenda, Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Lore, of course, and the rest of the people sa IMG office. And yung iba pa mga OFW na naging kaibigan na natin because of IMG, mga naging team na natin. Nagpapasalamat tayo kasi nagpo-provide din sila sa atin ng group na pupuntahan. If you need some more, if I want to hear motivations, if I want to hear inspiration, buhay na nabago, I'll go to IMG kasi doon ang daming nabagong buhay. Ang daming nagkaroon ng financial freedom because of IMG. Okay? So, delivers, yun yung dalawa lang kanila, pero tatlo na, no? Na nagawa ng IMG sa akin before I resign. So, if you are working right now, okay naman work mo, so wala tayong problema, do not resign. Kung yan ang mahal mo, nagbibigay naman siya ng source of income sa'yo, then kung meron kang passion, gustong gawin sa buhay mo, is you can start it. Ngayon, kung talagang you need to resign, you need 100% attention of your business, that's the time that you will resign, okay? But while you are working or while you are doing your business, you can start also doing what I did, so that is start joining IMG, okay? Kasi ngayon parang hindi mo siya kailangan. Kasi that time, a year ago, hindi ko naman siya pinapansin. Actually, matagal bago ko sila napagbigyan. Ilang buwan nila ako message na kaya nga, but they did not give up. Kasi that time, hindi ko siya, to be honest, sabi ko, I'm busy. Di ba ganun katwiran natin? Busy tayo and I don't need that kasi that time I have insurance. And that time I have passive income. And that time, meron mga source of income naman tayo. Hindi ko siya kailangan that time. Pero, come to think of it, kung nasa situation ka ngayon, maayos na situation, OFW ka, dito ka sa Pilipinas, employed, o meron kang business, darating din yung time na kakailanganin mo siya. So, start right now while you can pay it. Kung kaya mo siyang bayaran ngayon for only 3,000 pesos. Okay? So, start buying Kaiser. Join IMG, then you buy Kaiser. Or, yeah, mag-avail ka ng Kaiser. One, to give you, kasi 3-in-1 nga po siya, health insurance, investment, and life insurance, okay? And second, it will give you semi-passive income in the near future. Sa lahat ng mga, alam niyo, ang dami ng OFW na talagang hindi na bumalik eh. Dito na sila nag-for good because of passive income, semi-passive income na binibigay ni IMG. And third, it will give you support group. Mga tao na sabi ko nga, tutulungan ka nilang bumalik sa purpose mo. Ba't ka nag-abroad? Sa purpose mo, why are you doing that? Why are you there? So, they will keep you motivated. Kasi sila din ang buhay nila very much, inspiring din kasi. Pag tinignan mo lang yung buhay nila, may inspire ka na. Smile pa lang nila okay na di ba? Okay? So, Dok, paano ba mag-join ng IMG? So, of course, I can't give you the details kasi medyo busy din si Doc. But I have 3 persons na pwedeng mag-assist sa inyo, Ma'am Lor, Ma'am Lani, and Ma'am Joyce, to assist you to have it para nun, you can also start it. And then when you resign or when you retire, you will experience the same thing na na-experience ko na one of the sources or one of the reasons why you'll have peace of mind even you are already resigned. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go!